Hello and welcome back. In this episode I'm going to show you how I achieved my tracks for my Churchill MK.VII Let's Build series. To start off with, I lightly sprayed the tracks with Oxide Rust 71080 by Vallejo. I stick down both ends of the tracks to my spray board or cutting mat with a piece of blue tack at either end. I use 1 drop of flow improver to every 3 drops of paint. I now continue to rinse and repeat the exercise with a second coat of paint. Now I'm using my hairdryer to help speed the drying process up. Now the tracks are dry, we can now proceed to flip the tracks over and paint the other side. Now our tracks are looking nice and rusted, we'll be toning down the colour using 71036 Mahogany by Vallejo. With both colours now applied, you can really start to see how the colours making the tracks pop out. And the next step, I'm going to add a darker rust colour to the edges of the tracks to give it that more definition. To achieve this, I'm going to use Dark Rust 302 by Vallejo. This is part of their Panzer Ace set. I'm going to lightly dry brush each side and the centre part of the track. finally, we're going to add some Lead Belcher by Games Workshop, and we're going to apply this by using a cut up piece of sponge and lightly dabbing it from the top of the track to the bottom. This will add the steel effect to the tracks and really finish it off with an all-round nice look. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to like and subscribe, as it really helps my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.